Do you want to unlink your Instagram from your Facebook account, but don't know how to do it? Whether you want to manage your social media accounts separately or just need a fresh start, this video will guide you through the process with ease, so just follow my steps. Firstly, we have to open our Meta Account Center section, because that's where we have the option to unlink our accounts. This account center is available in both the Facebook and Instagram applications, and let's say you're currently in your Facebook app. All you have to do is to go over to the menu section by tapping on the three lines, either at the top or bottom right corner. And when you get to the menu section, simply expand this Settings and Privacy option, and then tap on the Settings. When this opens the settings in our Facebook mobile application, then you'll see the Account Center section, which we will open. And we can open it by tapping on this See More in Account Center button. But what if you're using the Instagram app and you need to access the Account Center option? Don't worry. All you have to do is to go over to your Instagram profile page, and once you're here, we also have to go over to our Instagram settings. So tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then select this Account Center. Once we open the Account Center section in either the Facebook or Instagram app, we can start unlinking the two accounts. You will scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you can see this Accounts option. And once we click on that option, you'll see all of your Facebook and Instagram accounts that are connected. So you can remove or unlink your Facebook or Instagram. It really doesn't make a difference. And I will remove the Marshall Johnson Instagram account by tapping on the Remove button at the right side of the screen. And it says here that this account will lose access to the connected experiences, but this will not delete or deactivate your account, so you don't have to worry about that. It will just unlink your Instagram from Facebook. So let's tap on this Remove account at the top. Then Continue. And then Yes, finish removing. And that's essentially how you can unlink your Instagram from Facebook in just a few easy steps. If you have any questions or suggestions about this, please make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.